Are you a YouTube creator looking to elevate your content and streamline your workflow? Imagine having a personal assistant powered by AI, helping you script, edit, optimize, and even promote your videos. In 2025, that dream is a reality. In this video, we're diving deep into the best AI tools every YouTube creator should be using to grow faster, create smarter, and dominate their niche. Let's kick things off with a big one. Jasper AI. If you've ever stared at a blank screen, wondering how to start your video script, Jasper's got your back. It's one of the most powerful AI writing assistants out there. Whether you're creating YouTube intros, writing compelling video titles, or brainstorming content ideas, Jasper saves time and delivers polished, engaging results. One cool thing about Jasper, it can mimic tones, from enthusiastic and energetic to professional or humorous, making your content sound exactly how you want. Next up, Descript. Editing videos used to be a pain, right? But Descript changes the game. With it, you can edit your video just like editing a Word document. It automatically transcribes your footage and lets you cut parts by simply deleting the text. Imagine cutting out those awkward pauses or ums in seconds. It even has a feature called Overdub, which lets you fix audio mistakes without re-recording. Descript is a must-have if you value speed, quality, and precision. Let's move on to Pictory. Long videos are great, but shorts and reels are taking over. Pictory uses AI to take long-form videos and turn them into bite-sized, shareable clips. It automatically identifies the highlights, adds captions, and packages everything into a format that performs well on social media. You don't need to be a professional editor. Pictory does it all. Now, if you're serious about growing your channel, VidIQ is your secret weapon. Think of it as your AI-powered YouTube coach. VidIQ helps you find the right keywords, track competitors, identify content trends, and even tells you the best times to post. It's like having an analytics team working behind the scenes. You get real-time suggestions and detailed scorecards that guide you to make data-driven decisions. The result? More views, more subscribers, and smarter growth. Let's talk visuals. Not everyone wants to be on camera, and that's where Synthesia comes in. It's an AI video generation tool that lets you create professional-looking videos using avatars. You simply type in your script, and Synthesia's AI presenter says it in a realistic voice and motion. It's ideal for tutorials, product explainers, and even faceless YouTube videos. Plus, it supports multiple languages, so if you want to reach a global audience, you can do it without hiring a translator. Speaking of visuals, Canva has evolved from a basic design tool to an AI-powered creative suite. You can generate thumbnails, banners, and social posts using AI suggestions and templates. Canva's magic design feature uses your content and suggests layout, color palettes, and fonts. This makes it easy to create scroll-stopping visuals that match your brand. Consistent branding is essential for a professional channel, and Canva helps you nail it every time. TubeBuddy is another heavy hitter in the YouTube game. This browser extension integrates directly with YouTube and gives you deep insights and tools to improve your SEO. Need help with tags, titles, or thumbnails? TubeBuddy's AI recommendations guide you step by step. It also helps A/B test thumbnails to find which ones perform best. Optimization isn't just about guessing anymore. TubeBuddy brings the data to you. Lumen 5 is for the creators who love storytelling but struggle with visuals. This tool uses AI to turn your text-based content, like blog posts or newsletters, into stunning video content. Just paste your script, and Lumen 5 automatically selects images, video clips, music, and transitions that match your content. It's ideal for creators who want to convert written content into visual experiences without needing to learn complicated editing software. Now let's get a little advanced with Runway ML. This AI tool feels like something out of the future. It lets you remove video backgrounds without a green screen, track motion, create stylized video effects, and even use AI-powered text-to-video tools. It's more suited for advanced creators or those wanting to experiment with high-concept videos. But if creativity is your strength, Runway ML will be your playground. Last but not least, Rephrase AI. Personalization is key in 2025. Audiences love feeling like you're talking directly to them. Rephrase AI uses AI avatars and voice cloning to create hyper-personalized video messages. Whether it's custom thank you videos for subscribers, personalized offers, or shoutouts, this tool helps you build real relationships with your viewers at scale. Incorporating even a few of these tools can save you hours of time each week, enhance the quality of your videos, and improve your engagement rates. AI isn't just a trend, it's a tool that gives creators a massive edge. To recap, we covered Jasper AI for scripting, Descript for editing, Pictory for social clips, the VidIQ for growth and SEO, Synthesia for avatar-based videos, Canva for design, TubeBuddy for optimization, Lumen 5 for transforming blogs to videos, Runway ML for creative editing, Rephrase AI for personalized content. So whether you're just starting out or already have a channel with thousands of subs, these AI tools can take you to the next level. Try them out, explore the ones that fit your workflow best, and keep evolving your content. Thanks for watching AI Gear Lab, your hub for smart creators in the AI era. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon.